Hey everyone, this is Kurt, and thank you for stopping by and watching this video. I know you have sent out a couple of emails about EZO from Alpaca content. You're probably saying, I still don't get it. I still don't understand. Kurt, can you show me what you mean and how it can be utilized in my business? And the answer to that is absolutely. This is one of the things that I enjoy doing is creating new tools. This one here is a really great tool. Now, the one that you're purchasing, the very front end, is for Live Pure. I'm just going to go ahead and click on start on this real quick. So if you don't know what Live Pure is, I'm going to go over to ClickBank. I'm going to log in. Once I log in, we're going to come over to Marketplace. We are going to click on Top Offers. And the very top offer, the best-selling offer for all of ClickBank is Live Pure. This is the reason why we chose it. All you have to do to promote it is be a ClickBank affiliate. Once you log in, go to top offers, click on promote, type in your affiliate nickname. You can put in a tracking ID. Matter of fact, tracking ID, EZO. Create hop link. Copy that. We're just going to put that into a notepad real quick. Let me open this up, paste that in. So it's in my notepad. Okay. Now that we've got that done, we're going to come right back on over here to EZO. It's saying, hey, I need an API key for OpenAI. That is a requirement. How do you get it? You click on this link. It's going to open it right up over on OpenAI. If you have an OpenAI account, now this is not ChatGPT. If you have an OpenAI account, simple to do. You're already at the API keys. Scroll down, click on Create New Secret Key. I'm going to go ahead and click and just put demo and click on Create Secret Key. Now I'm going to delete this at the end of this demonstration, so I'm not worried about it. I'm going to come right back over here and I'm going to paste in that secret key and I'm going to go ahead and click next. Now, what this software does is very unique. So it's going to ask you for a city name. So I live in central Missouri, but the larger town in central Missouri is Columbia, where the University of Missouri is at. And of course, Missouri, 2-state abbreviation. Now you can do 3-letter abbreviation in case you're in UK or another country that requires a 3-letter abbreviation for either your state or your province. So I'm going to go ahead and click next. Now it's asking how many number of cities around Columbia do we want to create content for? I'm going to go ahead and type in 30. Click next. Now it's asking me, what is the radius? How many miles around Columbia do we want to do this for to get those 30 cities created for? I'm going to put 45 miles and click next. Now it's going to ask me for my ClickBank affiliate URL. Now, inside of the sales funnel, there is a product called Affiliate Bridge Pages. When you purchase EZO, it's going to be the first OTO. And it's going to make a lot of sense to you when you realize what Affiliate Bridge Pages could do for you. You could take this affiliate link, create an actual page with Affiliate Bridge Pages. It will actually create an iframe around the Live Pure page, and then a pop-up will come up and people will have to subscribe with your email address, with their email address, to get, let's say, maybe you can put a coupon up there or something to draw them to give them your email address. It's highly beneficial. But for this purpose, I'm just going to take the link as is, click next. Oh, I know why. I'm going to go ahead and click back. I think I put a space in the API key. So I'm going to come over here, copy, done. paste that in. There we go. I just pasted a space in there by accident. But now it's going through and it's getting the 30 locations. It's got those done. It's now creating the actual content per location. So I'm going to pause the video until that is done and I'll show you the next step. Okay, it is finished downloading and it took about 10, maybe 15 minutes to do all 30. We're going to go ahead and click on the download CSV. We're going to open up the CSV. And this is the information that we put in. Columbia, service range 45 miles. So we have that. And then here's all the city names, which can be, I'll show you some tricks here in just a minute. Here are the blog titles. Here is the blog post and a blog excerpt. So we are able to import all of these. We know what we have. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to close out of this CSV. Don't save. I don't want to make any saves. I'm going to come over here. This is my testing blog that I have set up. I've installed the WP All Import, which is a totally free plugin. It's in the repository. You don't have to pay for it. We're going to come into New Import. Once this comes up, we're going to go to Upload a File, which is that CSV that we just downloaded. And then we're going to create new posts for each record in the data file. We're going to continue to step 2. Now, you're going to notice that we have city name, city names, which is the plural. This is the blog title, the blog post, and then, of course, the blog excerpt. We're going to continue to step 3. Now we're going to map everything. So the blog title is going to go to blog title. Blog post, make sure you're in the text area because this is all HTML already done. So you don't want visual, you want text. We're going to make sure blog post is there. The excerpt, blog excerpt, we're going to drag and drop to there. Now here's a little bit of extra stuff that we could do. Taxonomies, categories, and tags. We're going to choose categories and we're going to use city names. City names means each city is going to be its own category. So we're going to go ahead and do that. And we're also going to try to match terms to existing child categories. Perfect. There we go. And now what we're going to do is we're going to continue to step 4. And then we're going to auto detect the unique identifier, which is the blog title. That's exactly what we're wanting. And then all we have to do now is click on continue. And then confirm and run import. It's going to create 30 posts. It's done already, just like that. There was no time change, anything else like that. We're going to come over to all posts. These are the brand new posts. So if we're going to look at this one here, and then there's the title, there's the excerpt, table of contents. You're going to notice items are bolded, City of Warrington, liver purification complex, liver fat burning complex. All of this information came from LivePure's sales page. So a lot of this is pulling from it, of course, except for the city location. These images that are being brought over, you're going to see that as well. And then an FAQ. And then, of course, there is my link to get more information. The reason why I talked about initially the affiliate bridge pages, because then that could be a pretty link for your actual domain instead of looking like an affiliate link. But this is what it does. It creates this content. It is very, Google likes it because it is unique. It is location based. It is very detailed. And it works. It works very well. If you look at the this is the category that it's in, is that actual city and state. Let's look at another one. We're going to look at this one in Mexico, Missouri. And then boom, we're talking about the product again. Table of contents for the post. Introduction. Everything here is just the way you expect it. And then click here. That was a little bit better. It's an actual anchor text instead of the actual raw link. but it goes to my affiliate link at the same time. And if you're utilizing it for you, it'll be your affiliate link. Keep that in mind. So this is what EZO is all about. It is a great way to create mass pages. I created 30 in how long? Just a few minutes, and then imported them just like that. Follow the rest of the training in there on how to submit your sitemaps over to Google. Start watching the traffic come in. When the traffic comes in, this is when people will start clicking on the links. If you use the affiliate bridge pages, you can capture their email addresses and then use the emails. That's another upsell available to you. You don't have to use them to get them to purchase the product. This is a marketing system. The very first part is EZO, the way you see it. And then the other add-ons that I talked about was the email series and affiliate bridge pages. You don't have to get them. You can put your own sign-up forms. You could do your own email series, or you could get the ones that we've done for you. This is Kurt with EZO, Alpaca Content. Until next time, take care.